We are at 810 Taylor Avenue North, pulling back from City Main post-jetting. Customers had a backup some time back and do annual jetting for maintenance. They also are in talks of lining this pipe. So they just want to continue to make sure that it not only stays open and flowing, that it is lineable when that time does come. So I will start pull back and you'll see condition of line. It is pretty old cast iron that is not only catching stuff but allowing roots to slowly go through it. We were able to get out any problems from roots today. We're back in garage area. Cable from clean out.